Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's update on our tropical disturbance. So, our tropical disturbance is now expected to move near the Bahamas, Florida, and the southeastern coast in the next 5 to 7 days. And taking a look at our tropical development chances, this disturbance has a 0% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 2 days, but is now increased to a 60% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 7 days, with an overall medium chance of tropical cyclone formation. Taking a look at our forecast discussion, near the Greater Antilles and the Bahamas, a large tropical wave centered a few hundred miles east of the Lesser Antilles is producing some shower and thunderstorm activity. While development has been slow to occur due to dry air, environmental conditions are forecast to gradually become more conducive over the warmer waters of the southwestern Atlantic Ocean, and a tropical depression could form late this week while the system is in the vicinity of the Greater Antilles or the Bahamas. Interest in the Greater Antilles, the Bahamas, and the southeastern U.S. should monitor the progress of this system. Formation chance through 48 hours is low, near 0%, but formation chance through 7 days now is medium at 60%. So we're going to take a look at our computer models to get an idea as to where this disturbance is going to go and how strong it's going to be. So taking a look at the 18Z run of the GFS model, our disturbance is currently passing through the northern Lesser Antilles this evening, bringing some moderate rain to the central and northern Lesser Antilles, and this system will remain a weak tropical wave as it moves through Puerto Rico, Hispaniola, into tomorrow and Thursday. Could be bringing some very heavy rain, though, across areas of Hispaniola, Jamaica, Cuba, as we go into Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then the GFS model wants to curve our wave northwards towards southwestern Florida as we go into Sunday, August the 4th, remaining a weak tropical wave. And then the GFS wants to develop a tropical depression just south of Panama City Beach going into Tuesday, August the 6th. And then the GFS does some weird thing where our disturbance kind of gets hung up along the coast, and the GFS wants to intensify this to a tropical storm and then push it southwest, likely due to some high pressure blocking towards the Carolinas and the southeast. But this is just one model solution, so take this one with a grain of salt. And the GFS would turn this into a hurricane and move it towards Louisiana, going into Friday, August the 9th and Saturday, August the 10th. However, this is likely not going to happen, as this is a single run of the GFS model, and we're likely not going to be seeing this disturbance stall out for as long as the GFS is showing. So taking a look at the European model, the 12Z run, as we go through the next couple of days, Wednesday, Thursday, our wave moves across the northern Lesser Antilles, Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, Cuba, Hispaniola, bringing moderate to heavy rain through Saturday. And then the European model starts to curve this disturbance, possibly as a tropical depression, on Sunday, August the 4th, just east of Florida over the northern Bahamas. And then the European model starts to intensify the system into a tropical storm, a weak tropical storm, going to Sunday afternoon, August the 4th. And then the European model starts to skirt the Carolina coast, going into Sunday and Monday as a strengthening tropical storm, really hitting the Outer Banks in the European scenario. And we see continual strengthening to a potential hurricane Wednesday, August the 7th, as this disturbance begins to curve back out to sea in the European model. And then taking a look at the 12Z run of the Canadian model also moves our disturbance as a weak wave, bringing rain to the northern Lesser Antilles, Puerto Rico, Hispaniola, Cuba, Jamaica, all the way through between Wednesday and Saturday. And then the Canadian model starts to curve the wave north, east of Florida once again, going to Sunday, August the 4th. However, the Canadian does not really strengthen the system until it's making potentially a landfall in the eastern outer banks as a weak tropical storm Monday, August the 5th. And then rapidly we see a disturbance, a low pressure kick a strengthening system out to sea, maybe into Atlantic Canada, as it goes subtropical going to Wednesday, August the 7th. So we're going to have to continue to monitor these trends as the days progress on our disturbance. Thanks for watching this evening's tropical update. Please stay safe and have a wonderful evening, my friends.